have some vinegar. What does vinegar do?
Good. I'll send it to your parents. Okay, later.
Light on the other side also, Rinchin. So it's faster.
Good.
Tup tup. Making snake. Phantom snake. Move back, Rinchin.
We are standing here at your risk, Lama.
See, it's coming.
You want it? And so cream there.
Baking soda and sugar. So basically, when it burns, it forms carbon dioxide, no? So those form air pockets, no? So it'll start coming out like snakes here. So as a digita wachin, as shuma tindra diomba.
Wax chang me ko chaka bom na.
Me. Na bola kami diba? Anta me bola ka tawachin? It's like it's coming out. So it'll keep coming out. It's okay, it's fine.
Yeah, we can see that.
It's all the carbon dioxide coming inside the pockets, no?
What did you name this project, Richard?
Phantom snake. Wow, such a fancy name.
But if you go on Google, it's phantom snake.
It is. You know. Can you bring tissue there next? It's like this. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Good. Thank you. Well done. Good job.